Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with the basics completed. Engine cool, battery off, and components labeled so you know what returns where. Once done, mount the valve keeper tool over the retainer, align the locator pin, and compress the spring to roughly 1/2 travel. This locks the retainer in place. Make sure to use compressed air if available to hold the valve down and keep fingers clear. You need steady pressure and solid alignment, because misalignment will drop keepers into the head and cost time. Once the spring is compressed, you operate the tool jaws to expose the keeper grooves, and you verify each keeper is seated in the tool's magnetic cup. Make sure to work under bright light and steady hands, because these are small parts. If removing, let the keepers fall into the cup. If installing, place keepers into the retainer groove and slowly release compression so they seat together. Keep checking alignment. A single misseated keeper will prevent proper seating and cause valve train damage. Finish by slowly releasing the tool while keeping light pressure. You should hear or feel the keepers click into place, so verify there are no gaps. Once done, re-rotate the camshaft and recheck valve lash or preload against spec, because clearances can shift. If a keeper drops into the head, stop. Do not run the engine. Use a strong magnet and a flexible pick to retrieve it, and re-inspect parts for burrs or damage before repeating the procedure to avoid future failure.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.